If you've been with me on this channel for a while, then you know that I've conducted a series of interviews with sales pros. I've done these long-form interviews to give you insights, ideas, and techniques from veteran professionals in the world of sales. Now, this clip is a selected question and answer from one of those past interviews. And it's a point that I want to highlight to help you to gain a new idea or new technique that you can apply to be more successful in sales. If you've watched the whole interview, this will reinforce a key point. If you haven't, then I hope it whets your appetite to go back to the list of videos on my channel and find the full interview and watch it. Enjoy this tip.
What were some of the key lessons that you learned as you worked your way through your first few years in sales?
Yeah, so many lessons. And it's funny, most of the lessons came when I made mistakes or when our team didn't hit our number or when we failed. And one of the most invaluable lessons that I've learned recently within the last year working in technology sales is that we have to give more than we get. And I've learned that when we give, we sort of we magnetize ourselves. We attract more opportunities with other customers. We get more referrals if we're willing to go the extra mile for the customer. But the only way that we know how to go the extra mile and give more is if we ask thoughtful questions that are relevant to figure out what the person cares most about. Because I think in sales, when you know what they care most about, then you can give more.
Interesting. So I'm hearing a couple of things here. One is to have the giver's mindset, and I know you and I both like the Go Giver from Bob Burg. We share
That's a great book.
We share that book in common, the appreciation for it. I'm also hearing that you have to ask good questions, and by asking good questions, then you're uncovering what they care about, and so you're putting their interests first and pursuing serving them.